Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about role of iron in the human body, their benefits and risks. The information provided in this channel is for educational purpose only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in various physiological functions in the body. It is primarily known for its role in the formation of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Without sufficient iron, the body cannot produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to a condition known as iron deficiency anemia. Iron also plays a significant role in supporting metabolism, maintaining a healthy immune system, and promoting cognitive function. Despite its importance, the body's ability to regulate iron levels is limited, meaning that both iron deficiency and excess can lead to health issues. One of the primary benefits of iron is its role in oxygen transport. Hemoglobin, which contains iron, binds to oxygen in the lungs and carries it through the bloodstream to tissues and organs. This process is vital for energy production and overall cellular function. Additionally, iron is a component of myoglobin, another protein that carries oxygen in muscles, which is essential for muscle function. Iron is also a cofactor for enzymes involved in the production of collagen, a protein critical for the health of connective tissues, skin, and bones. Iron is also necessary for a healthy immune system. It supports the proliferation and maturation of immune cells, such as T lymphocytes, which are involved in the body's defense against infections. Adequate iron levels help ensure the body's ability to mount effective immune responses and fight off pathogens. Iron is essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, which are critical for mood regulation, cognitive function, and mental health. Iron deficiency can result in symptoms like fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and impaired memory, highlighting its importance for brain function. In addition to its physiological functions, iron also has a significant impact on overall well-being. A deficiency in iron can lead to feelings of weakness, fatigue, and decreased physical performance. This is especially evident in individuals with low iron levels, who often experience difficulty with endurance, reduced stamina, and overall low energy. Iron-rich foods such as red meat, poultry, seafood, legumes, leafy greens, and fortified cereals are important dietary sources that can help maintain healthy iron levels. While heme iron from animal sources is more easily absorbed by the body, non-heme iron from plant-based foods can also contribute to maintaining optimal levels when consumed with foods rich in vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption. On the other hand, iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide, particularly among women, children, and individuals with restricted diets. Symptoms of iron deficiency anemia include fatigue, pallor, shortness of breath, dizziness, and in severe cases, heart palpitations. Pregnant women, in particular, have higher iron requirements due to increased blood volume and the needs of the developing fetus. In such cases, iron supplementation is often recommended to prevent complications like preterm birth, low birth weight, and developmental issues in newborns. Vegetarians and vegans may also be at a higher risk of iron deficiency, as they do not consume heme iron from animal products and may have difficulty absorbing non-heme iron from plant-based sources. While iron deficiency poses health risks, excessive iron intake can be equally problematic. The body does not have a natural mechanism to excrete excess iron, and prolonged high levels can lead to iron overload, a condition known as hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis can cause serious health issues, including liver damage, heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. It is a genetic condition that results in the body absorbing too much iron from food, which is then stored in organs, causing damage over time. Even without a genetic predisposition, consuming too much iron, particularly from supplements, can be harmful. For this reason, it is essential to avoid taking high-dose iron supplements unless prescribed by a healthcare provider. Iron toxicity can lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and constipation in the short term. In the long term, it can cause organ damage due to the buildup of iron in the liver, heart, and pancreas. Children are particularly vulnerable to iron poisoning, as they may mistake iron supplements for candy. Accidental iron overdose is a leading cause of poisoning in children, which can lead to serious complications, including organ failure and death. Therefore, it is crucial to store iron supplements safely out of reach of children and to use them only under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Iron needs vary depending on age, gender, and life stage. For example, adult men generally need about 8 milligrams of iron per day, while women of reproductive age need about 18 milligrams daily due to menstrual blood loss. Pregnant women require even higher amounts, at least 30 milligrams per day, to support fetal development and maintain healthy iron levels. Postmenopausal women, on the other hand, require less iron, about 8 milligrams per day, as they no longer lose iron through menstruation. Infants, children, and adolescents also have specific iron requirements based on their growth and development. For example, infants require around 10 milligrams of iron per day, and adolescents require up to 10 to 11 milligrams per day. The absorption of iron is influenced by several dietary factors. As mentioned earlier, heme iron from animal sources is more efficiently absorbed than non-heme iron from plant sources. Vitamin C is a key enhancer of non-heme iron absorption, so combining iron-rich plant foods with foods high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, or bell peppers, can improve absorption. On the other hand, certain foods and substances can inhibit iron absorption, including calcium, tannins found in tea, and phytates found in whole grains and legumes. It is advisable to separate the consumption of iron-rich meals from these inhibitors to optimize absorption. Ensuring adequate iron intake through a balanced diet, which includes both heme and non-heme iron sources, is the best way to meet the body's needs. In some cases, iron supplementation may be necessary to prevent or treat deficiencies, but it should only be done under the supervision of a healthcare provider. By understanding the role of iron and following appropriate dietary guidelines, individuals can maintain optimal iron levels and support overall health. If you found this video useful, like and share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.